Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you my mom's favorite egg loaf recipe. So this is a recipe that was always made on Eid or any other special occasion. So you'll melt 3 tablespoons of butter. To that add 2 eggs. I always use large eggs. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. So you can use any oil you wish to use, and stir to combine. And then in a large bowl, add 500 gram cake or all-purpose flour, plain flour. Add 7 gram instant yeast, that's a sachet of yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. Just mix it together lightly and make a well in the center, and then you're going to pour your butter mixture that you prepared earlier. You're going to pour that inside and bring the ingredients together and pour in 250 ml lukewarm milk. Mix together and you'll end up with a very soft dough. And sprinkle with more flour. Sprinkle flour on a surface, and then you're going to tip your dough out on there. And you're going to knead until the dough no longer sticks to your fingers, to your hands, or to your surface. You can sprinkle flour as you go along, but don't sprinkle too much flour. The point is for you to knead the dough until the water has evaporated, or you get a nice soft pliable dough. So my mother always used to say, you start with a wet dough and then you knead your dough until it no longer sticks to your fingers and your fingers come clean naturally, and doesn't stick to the surface, and then you know you've got a beautiful soft dough that's going to produce a beautiful loaf. So as you can see, I've been kneading about 15-20 minutes. Yes, it does take a long time, but if you want a quality loaf, you're going to spend some time. And you can use the mixer as well to mix the dough. But for this purpose, I'm showing you how to use it to do it by hand. And then you're going to put your dough in an oiled bowl and leave to rise until double in size. So I've used less than half a cup of extra flour to get to this consistency, just by sprinkling bits at a time. And after your dough has risen, you're going to tip it on a surface again, onto your work surface. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces. And stretch each piece out a bit. Don't stretch it too much, just so that it fits your tin that you're going to use. So this recipe is going to produce a large loaf. And then you're going to plait your loaf, like I'm doing here. Just plait it as you would. Just follow me and just continue with the plaiting. And there you can see I have a large loaf tin, which I've lightly greased, and cover and allow to rise for another 30 minutes. and then brush with whisk egg until when it's ready for the oven. So we had this loaf for Eid morning. As I say, you can make it for any special occasion or just whenever you wish to have a nice fresh loaf of bread. And you can sprinkle it with sesame seeds if that's optional. And there you have it, baked for 35 to 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And serve with your favorite spiced beef or cheese or just with butter. Delicious. Enjoy, and I hope you're going to try it out sometime. And do follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you for watching.